So remember when I said this wasn't a cooking show? Hello everybody, I am back. My name is Ariel, Ari for short, and I am going to be cooking today. I have a blueberry cobbler to make that a few people are going to come and pick up, so I said why not film it. The other video I was trying to film was just not working out for me. I was like, well, I have to bake this anyway today, so let me film it. It's a pretty easy recipe to follow. It originally came from All Recipes, but I tweaked it a little bit for what I wanted to do. I guess a little bit of history, so I'm not just some amateur. I did start off that way, but I've been baking since I was in college. I started off baking just as a way to earn some extra money, especially when I got pregnant with my daughter. I needed some extra income. I was working at Red Lobster and they cut my hours when they found out I was pregnant. So that was just another way for me to bring in some extra money, and I've been doing it ever since then. Sometimes people will ask me to bake cakes or cupcakes for their events, and I will do that every once in a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I have all of my ingredients laid out in front of me. Hopefully I can do this the right way. This is the first time I'm ever filming me cooking anything, and I just hope it doesn't come out crazy. But if you're interested, keep watching. So here are all the ingredients I'm using. I have my big glass bowl, which I'm using to mix, and my hands are clean. I have a lemon here. I have my blueberries and blackberries in a bowl. I have my flour. I have some vanilla extract here. I also have some cane sugar, and I have the eggs behind me. So I have these free range non-GMO eggs, which I purchased from Target. And I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands again. All right, and let's get started. So first I'm going to move this out the way. This is what I'm going to be using for my cobbler, and these are the tools that I'm using to mix. Put those in the bowl. So I have my bowl, and I'm going to dump both my blueberries and blackberries into the dish. Go ahead and cut this lemon and get some lemon juice. I need a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more than a tablespoon, but I do need some lemon juice to sprinkle over my blueberries and my blackberries. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze this. So I use the same bowl that I had for my blueberries and blackberries. There's a seed in there. So I'm just going to pour lemon juice. So once that's done, I'm going to set this aside. So now onto my bigger bowl. I am going to combine my flour, my sugar, I'm gonna whisk it. I'm gonna add my egg. whisk that up just a little bit, and then I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of this vanilla extract. So just about half a teaspoon of this vanilla extract. Uh-oh. Oh, that's lemon. I'm so glad. So this whole time I thought I had vanilla extract, but this is lemon extract. I'm using vanilla extract for this. Lemon may have been good too, but I'm going to use some vanilla. Just a little bit, I don't want a lot. And we're gonna whisk it until it becomes crummy, like cookie mix almost. This aside, and then we are going to bring the blueberries and blackberries back. So there are my blueberries and my blackberries, and I am going to now put the crumb mixture on top of this. There you go. And now I'm going to drizzle some melted butter on top of it before I put it in the oven. So I have here 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and the measurement is on the actual butter stick. So I'm gonna melt this and then come back to this. Okay, so now the butter is melted. As you can see here, I'm gonna drizzle this on top of this. So now that I have everything mixed together and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Let's put this in the oven and see when it's done. Okay, so the cobbler is in the oven now, and it's going to bake at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out the oven, and I'm going to get it divided up for people when they come to pick up their slice of cobbler. Cobbler has come out of the oven, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Here I was able to get a little piece, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I always like to try what I bake, even though I know how it tastes most of the time. I still like to try it to make sure I didn't mess up anywhere. That's good. I really need to open up my own bakery and stop playing for real. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can turn on your notifications if you would like to be notified every time I upload. My new upload, well, my upload schedule will be Sunday and Wednesday. I'm trying to get everything up by 7 o'clock on those 2 days. If I can upload more, I'll do that throughout the week, but most definitely a video will be up on Sundays and on Wednesdays. Again, my Instagram information is below, and other than that, I don't have anything else to say. So I will see you in my next video.